Okay, so we're on our way. We getting in the Uber. We on our way to Brooklyn, y'all. About to make our way to Brooklyn. Yo. Hello. She's about to
slay the game.
Hello.
Okay.
Slay.
It's Tiana and Kiana Ray.
Yo, say it.
It's Tiana and Kiana Ray.
Hello.
Yeah,
Do you hear how the names sound the same almost? That's how you know it's
there.
Listen, if you're not booking, if you're not requesting, if you're not purchasing hair from my girl, watch this. All you gotta do is watch this video and then you'll want to purchase, okay? Okay, we just arrived to the place.
I'm here for about 4 years, right out of high school. I used to sing, I used to perform. Hair was never my thing. I didn't even think I would be doing hair today. But eventually I was always like the it girl in school, always had my hair and I'm in class and everybody looking at me, I'm doing my makeup, I'm not paying attention. You can ask my mom and my dad, they used to tell them at parent teacher conference and all that. Like I always used to do my hair. So eventually I started like, just teaching. It's a passion. I feel like a lot of people are doing hair nowadays for the money, and I don't think you should be doing that. If you love what you do, trust me, the money is gonna come. You know what I mean? So I want you guys to know, even if you're not gonna get it today, you're gonna get it. Like I don't expect you to learn everything and get it perfect right here, right now. Don't try to be perfect for me. You're here to make mistakes because I want to be able to see why you're making mistakes so I can correct you. So if you're trying to perfect it right away, I want to be able to help you. So I just want to like give you that, because I feel like when I do classes, I notice that they try to like, oh, she's Asian, like I'm gonna make sure I get like her. No, it's a class. So I want you guys to make mistakes. But the only mistake I really don't want you guys to make is making a hole in the wave like don't do that. Got to be spray is alcohol. Once you put any type of product on it, it defeats the whole purpose. So there's no need to do that. Just rake the hair downward so that it's not in the lace anymore. Just like this. Perfect. So because this is a wig and not a frontal, the reason why we flip it is because we're trying to make it look and feel like a frontal. Frontal, you can just lay flat. This is a wig, so it has like a dome. So we're gonna, if you're right-handed, take your non-dominant hand. You're gonna hold it where the comb is, like this. Your dominant hand is gonna be bleaching. So make sure you're holding the wig from the track part. This way, baby. Make sure you're holding it from the track part. So if you have to like move the track part up a little bit so the frontal is laying flat downward, facing you. Perfect. Get a good grip because you're gonna need to hold it in the air while you're bleaching it. I never put it on the table when I bleach it. I don't put it on the mannequin head. I hold it in the air. Pressure is very important. So if you're putting it on something even like this, you're gonna over bleach it. So make sure that you're holding it correctly. place you're gonna pin down the two ends. This is where the ears are, right? So you can take two T-pins and put it on the two ends. Make sure you measure it first before you do that. The two ends like this. So because you don't have stands, it's okay to put it between your legs for more support because it's gonna go like this. So you can do it like this.
This side, I don't know. It's this side that's giving it.
Everybody go play on Scarlet. Really stick it in. Really take your hands and really massage. Simple massage, edge massage. Don't fall asleep, models. Don't fall asleep.
You falling asleep?
One of my clients fell asleep while I did this class.
You hit me first.
Damn, this look real good, friend. Look at that layer.